Your Excellency, do us the honor.
Speak away, not the use code, they talk to
APC! APC! No! Let me receive them. Yes, sir. Very important. Very important. Receive them. Very important. We are not saying when we receive them. Foundation, sorry. They will not get new joiners, though. Once they join us, they will be the same as us. We have all the same rights and privileges as members of APC. They can contest even our local government election when they come under APC. So I know. So when they join us, they be part of us. No difference, no demarcation, no newcomer, no newcomer. Everybody is one.
Wait and see, Governor.
Before we give them the symbol of our party, let me use this opportunity first to thank our leader, our indomitable leader who laid the foundation on which we are building today. Today, they call me the wait and see governor. Because I can wait, or you can wait and see what I am doing this morning. Because Adam Fasowole laid the foundation. When he was laying the foundation, you did not see the foundation. So any block, when I put on top of the foundation, it will go down. Because of that today, Edo is working. I believe you. And I want to promise you, you are not seeing anything yet. I don't say I just come back from China. We go sign MOU. I came back from Abuja this morning to follow up. We are building the biggest industrial park in Nigeria in Kobaka. So that's my promise of 200,000 jobs before 2020 we will not finish out. By the grace of God again, the first modular refinery in this country, we have signed, they will start constructing it in 3 months' time, and that refinery will be located in Ikubauka. Una the jealous of Ikubauka? No! Don't worry, we are part of Ikubauka. Development is coming to your own local government. I promise you. So, before we receive our new brothers and sisters, I believe that we cannot do anything without the endorsement of our leader. So he must say something first before we receive them. If you agree with me, we will say, oh,